In this video, I'll show you how to bulk upload Instagram and Facebook posts using Meta Business Suite. This is a great way to save time by managing content for both platforms from one dashboard. To get started, open the Meta Business Suite app or visit the website and sign in with the Facebook account that manages your Facebook page. Make sure your Instagram professional account is connected to your page. Once you're signed in, go to the Planner or Content section and click Create Post. If your version supports it, choose the bulk upload option and select multiple photos or videos from your device. Next, add captions for each post. Choose whether you want to publish to Facebook, Instagram, or both, and set the date and time if you'd like to schedule them. Before publishing, review each post to make sure the images, captions, and posting schedule are correct. Then click Schedule or Publish to complete the process. You can return to the planner anytime to edit, reschedule, or delete upcoming posts. Using Meta Business Suite helps you stay organized, maintain a consistent posting schedule, and manage your social media more efficiently from one place. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.